Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you deserve.
I don't think I'm late. Pretty sure this is the room, hopefully it is. I don't know where I want to sit at. Look, he gonna be like, I want you to stand up and perform for everybody. I'm gonna be like, so y'all know me, right? I'm always late to everything. And I'm like, you know, practicing my monologue. When I'm waking up, I had to go to the bathroom again right before I came here. But now, it's like 9:15, he's not even here yet. He probably just woke up. Come on, Adrian, we need you, bro. You better come in with all the energy in the world.
She represents, how do you guys know Selena Gomez?
Yes.
You ready? Come and get it. No.
You know Selena, because Selena's awesome. But,
Hey, what's up, y'all? We just got done in the, so what Adrian did was, I'll probably explain this better in like audio. I might just show some footage or something, to be honest. But anyway, we did our monologues in front of him. He tried to see if we could get some like energy, basically. He wants to do like dramatic comedy, so we performed in front of him, everybody else, and then he gave us a scene to study, assigned us with a partner, and now we're gonna memorize our lines for tomorrow. And I just want to give you guys a look at the pool really quick. They got two black holes for hot and cold. No, I don't know. But they got the big napkins, you know, they'd be fancy. And they got, what is this? What year is this? It's 2021. It's like it's 2050.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the...
Look at all that toilet paper. All right, man, it's lunchtime. We just went to the first orientation. I just met a new friend.
What it do?
Put your mask down.
What it do?
What it do? All right. I'm about to put her Instagram right here. I'll go follow her.
We're not from here though, so we're a little different. We're built different.
Yeah, we are. I'm finna walk around in this hot Hollywood weather.
Deadass, I don't know why I have this on.
Yeah, well,
no, this morning was a little like, I felt a little breeze, so I was like, okay.
Yeah.
Right now, no.
I dressed up for no reason. I should have came in sweatpants.
Literally.
For shorts. I bought a bunch of shorts. I got 50,000. He gonna growl at you.
I don't care. I'll get that.
Hey yo.
Can I get a picture with you? Look at that. You killed it. You're fine.
Ace family. Yeah. What up, Ace family? They have this dude.
Nighttime, it was kind of like nice. Like you couldn't really see the floor.
Yeah, I'm teaching her to vlog, y'all.
Yeah. We over here.
What do we get?
We got the mushroom pepperoni and sausage pizza. You know the vibes. It's from California Pizza Kitchen Search. It was like I was
You're gonna be in my vlog, okay? It's my YouTube vlog. Y'all keep talking. Hey, check her out. What are you filming right now?
Am I filming? I just finished filming a Christmas movie for BET called. What is it called?
Oh no, she forgot her own show.
Oh my god. I really can't remember. Oh my gosh.
You just said it too.
I have no idea what it's called.
Okay, where can I?
Oh no, Christmas Deja Vu.
Christmas
Christmas
Where
Deja
can I
Vu.
find it at? Like watch it.
It's gonna be on BET this Christmas.
Okay, y'all check her out, man.
What's your blog?
That's where we are so far. So I'll catch you guys soon. He's over here vlogging too.
We got real California pizza from California. I had to.
Wait, let me open it.
All right.
So fucking good.
Put it in your mouth. Right now.
That didn't sound right.
Put it in your
That did
mouth
not
right
sound
now.
right.
Smile. All right, he's here. They're gonna stop. Let's go. Oh god, that car's going so fast. Come on, come on, come on. All right, so.
Appreciate it. Hello.
Is it George?
Your tree one?
Yeah.
What's your
It's I got you. 1462. Thanks. So we were across the street.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna get hit by a car. So then you got this pizza box. How we gonna get to the sign with that pizza box?
Yeah.
Coyote's gonna eat us. See, that's I never saw a palm tree in real life. You got them though. Yeah, exactly. I'm in Kansas, bruh.
Yeah,
You got y'all got them everywhere.
Mhm. Mm. In a video. Yeah, she look mad dope. Sorry.
That was a good reaction.
No, this is mad beautiful. Like that. Yo, like the view's so beautiful from up here. Like we don't have this in Florida.
You heard it here first. You don't got it in Florida. Definitely don't got it in Kansas. I'll tell you that now.
That's crazy.
All right.
Yeah.
You heard the little beat. Hey, what's up? We already here in Hollywood, baby. Look, there go the sign. You know how sharp it is.
No. Why would you do
No.
that?
What? Touch it?
Yeah.
It's not that bad. I can see why.
See why what?
Like it would be, what's it called? Like prickly or whatever.
Well, yeah, it's a cactus.
You're a cactus.
I am. What can I say? Oh, that's not right. That's not right.
That little one right there. Look, see it? No, I'm
These
just
are
joking.
cute. Yo, but these, I think these like bloom flowers.
Look at it, prickly.
Yeah, I feel like these are thicker. These are hella You're so confused, and you're confusing me even more.
Hey, who's trespassing, sir? Oh, okay.
Por ahí, sí, lo puede hacer, no le van a parar. Usted sigue, hay dos caminitos, hay uno que va alrededor y uno que va recto. Vaya al que va recto, porque hay una plataforma y eso le queda aquí mismito y de ahí tiene...
A eso le dijo.
That's why you gotta have Spanish
Sí,
friends.
a ellos, porque ellos se metieron por aquí adentro y se subieron allá. No fue para ustedes.
Chicos.
Sí.
Bilingual friend, sweetheart.
¿Por qué? Oh, that's perfect. Read it. Yeah, since you want to make fun of the Wizard of Oz.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Starring her right here. Look. It looks a lot better once you pull it up on a computer too.
Of course.
But it's like you're here, you know.
No, it doesn't.
Joker right here. And Harley Quinn.
Yeah, we need to shake the devil up. 40 came with that beam on it. Yeah, we outside tonight.
declined now. Look. Okay, so I just got back to my hotel room. I have no idea where I'm at with these vlogs. It's really hard because I'm tired, and we're busy all day, and I'm gonna try to make this thing make sense, guys. Just bear with me. Tomorrow we got our photo shoot. I need to have my scene memorized by tomorrow too, so we can like get assigned blocking. I don't have that done yet, so I'm probably gonna wake up early and kind of practice. And yeah, that's really it. I'm just gonna go to bed. So day 2 is done, and we got. I'm sorry, this is day 1. I'm sorry, this is my second day in LA though. So day 1 done. We got 6 more to go. It's gonna be lit, guys. Stay tuned, and as always, take control. Smash the fucking like button too. All right, yeah, but take control. All right, good night.